Surf for the Earth. Can a surfboard help our planet? Ryan Harris thinks so. He makes surfboards out of recycled trash. That helps keep Earth clean. Ryan Harris. Earth Day is April 22nd. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. A trash problem. Ryan Harris turns trash into cool new surfboards. As you read, think about how Ryan's surfboards help the planet. In 2020, there was a problem in Ryan's town. Trash was all over the ground. A lot of it was old face masks. People had been wearing the face masks to try and to stay healthy. The masks were disposable. That means they were meant to be thrown away after being used. But people weren't putting them in the trash. They were throwing them on the ground. Could Ryan solve the problem of all the trash on the ground? He thought he could recycle the masks. He could turn them into something new. Making a trash board. Ryan has a workshop. He makes surfboards from recycled materials. He thought he could turn the old masks into a new surfboard. How did Ryan make the board? First, he took a big piece of foam. The foam was old and broken, but Ryan could fix it. It would be the main part of the surfboard. Then Ryan put layers of old face masks on top of the foam. If you look closely at the surfboard, you can still see the mask's ear loops. After that, he painted the whole thing with a clear liquid called resin. Resin makes a surfboard stronger. Most resin is made of plastic, but Ryan uses resin that comes from plants. Last, Ryan added the fins to the bottom of the board. Those are the parts that help the board steer through the water. The fins were made from old disposable straws. The whole board was trash, Ryan says. Testing the trash. Testing the trash board. The board was finally done. But could Ryan surf on it? He took it out into the ocean. When a wave came, he pulled himself on top of the board. He surfed the wave. It worked! Ryan had solved a problem. He had turned the trash in his town into something useful. Ryan's surfboards sure made a splash. By Blair Ransford. Ryan works on a surfboard in his shop. What Ryan recycled. Masks. Ryan turned gross old face masks into a new surfboard. You can see the ear loops. Straws. He used straws to make the fins of the surfboard. Ryan turns trash into new surfboards. Look at the chart to see what other types of old trash people are turning into cool new things. Here's the recycling chart. Type of old trash, cool new thing. Plastic water bottle is turned into a jacket. Glass bottles and jars are turned into marbles. Old papers become toilet paper. Plastic milk bottles become a toy boat. Question 1. What is the toy boat on this chart made from? Old papers, glass bottles, or plastic milk bottles? Question 2. Which one can old papers be turned into? Marbles, toilet paper, or plastic bottles? Question 3. Which two things on this chart can be made from recycled plastic? Jacket and toilet paper and marbles, toy boat and jacket. Which two things can be made from recycled plastic? Question 4. Which thing on this chart cannot be made from old bottles? Cannot. Marbles, toilet paper, or the jacket?
What happens to our trash? Dirty tissues, milk cartons, plastic shopping bags. We throw away a lot of garbage every day. But where does it all go? And who takes it away? Let's take one piece of trash and see what happens to it. You're eating a delicious snack. When you're done, all that's left is a piece of trash. You put it in the trash can with all the other garbage. Soon, the can is full. It's time to take out the trash. An adult takes it outside. Next, a garbage truck pulls up outside the house. Sanitation workers get out. They pick up the trash can and dump the trash into the back of their truck. They go minutes for neighbors who do the same thing. That's enough of bin and a bag for all the houses on the street. Uh-oh, the truck is starting to get full. Not a problem. The truck has a packer blade in the back that pushes down on the garbage and squishes it together. It makes room for more trash. Soon, the sanitation workers have picked up all the garbage on the street. The street is nice and clean. Sanitation workers have a really important job. Without them, our streets would get covered with gross, smelly trash. Bugs and rats that carry diseases would crawl all over and make people sick. The sanitation workers help keep our communities clean and healthy. After they pick up the trash, the sanitation workers take it to a landfill. That's a place where a lot of trash gets dumped into a huge pile. In some places, the landfill is far away. It's too far for the sanitation workers to drive there. Trains and big boats come barge and take the trash to the landfill instead. Most of our trash ends up in landfills, and it stays there for a long, long time. It takes many years for trash in a landfill to decompose or break down. You can keep some of our trash from taking up space in a landfill. You can recycle a lot of things. That means they get broken down and turned into something new. Waste scraps can go in a compost bin. Compost decomposes much more quickly than a landfill. It can be used as fertilizer to help plants grow. Some trash still has to go to the landfill, and that's okay. We can still be responsible with our garbage. Make sure you put it in a trash can. Don't litter. And say thank you to our sanitation workers. They work hard to keep our communities clean.
Look in from